Hey friends, this is a baby towel, and you can see it here that it really comes in a very nice packing. It's a very nice gift to give, and it's like this packing. I am really impressed with the packing here, and you can see that it's small ribbon on it, so it's nice looking packing. And this is a happy bear, like this is the blue color towel, and there are other colors available on Amazon. You can check there. I will put the link in the video details. You can see like the quality and the depth of colors and the stitching here, that you will feel it very nice. It's like a premium quality one. And this towel comes with one washcloth as well, like a small cloth towel, and you can see it used the same material as of the towel, so it feels really soft. And there's a little hook that you can put, and you can see it here like the stitching. So as I said, the stitching is like there's no issue with it, and then it's pretty strong and looks really neat and clean. It's really nice product. And here is like after the washcloth, you can see like the towel here. It's like of the same material, a little different style and design, and you can see it here like the ears and the eyes. The way it stitched and it's made is really nice, and the same stitching, clean and neat, no issue with that. And the length and the size of the towel is really good. I will show you, like it's I purchased something from here, and then I see like the size is little small. Here you can see is a full size baby towel, so it's a big size, like and it covers the baby completely, and it's soft, so no issue with this one. It's pretty nice. I like this towel. And this is a Amazon card, like thank you card in here, and other details about contacting them if you are unhappy and you are satisfied. Pretty nice and soft.